Welcome back. Regular viewers of the channel would know that I'm a maker. I get into industrial furniture and art, welding and woodwork, but more recently we've been setting up a property in Northern Australia in the Atherton Tablelands, some about 350 kilometres away from our home base here in Townsville. My wife and I have been going up there working, trips to and from, dropping off our equipment, tools, basically setting the property up for us to transition and move there. So this is this video series where we're setting things up and getting things ready from scratch. The clips in this video go from around about 2022, February, and to about August. Hope you enjoy the video. I'd love to see you in the comments. You probably can't see, that's Nala lying in the back seat. Oh, the rain's easing off now, thank goodness for that. Oh gosh, I'll turn a little bit of light on. With the off-grid life you have to take the good with the bad. I've brought my ute up with the trailer to bring the tractor up because we need to do some work, so I haven't got my Sprinter van with the nice comfy bed. So it's pouring with rain. I was going to sleep on the ground in the tent, but the ground is saturated. It's poured, bucketed, and there's lightning and there's thunder. And Nala, it's her first time in a thunderstorm, and she's very scared, so poor thing. Anyway, we might have to bunk it down in the van tonight. Not there's worse places to sleep. But thankfully Nala and I didn't have to sleep in the ute that night. We slept in a neighbour's shed on a mattress and we were fine. That little old tractor sure saved me a lot of work, manually spreading that road base around with a wheelbarrow and shovel. That wouldn't have been much fun. Problem is when you live about 300-400 kilometres away and you forget your tools like your angle grinder, you've got to use this little, you've got a little multi-pack toolkit. Well, my jobs for this week, I think we're ready for the water tank. Preparing that little pad there that's level with the, I use the laser level for that, and also putting out the road base here for in front of the shed. Now it's only half a load. I do need to put another load in, and that will come probably just before I start in the shed in 2 weeks. So that'll allow me to drive the vehicle on that at least, and not get bogged in wet sticky clay. Job done. So you're going to come over. This is fresh concrete. I guess it's a couple of months old, but the plan was always to put a coat of paint on the floor, save oil soaking up into the concrete, making it look daggy and that. So it's all clean. Now's the time, before we move everything in here, to put the paint on the floor. I should mention also that I used the proper floor cleaner, the acid, before I actually put the paint down, and that just helps promote adhesion. Floor painted, check. Now the floor's painted, I can move everything back in. Here at the property there's always a ton of jobs to do, and here's another one. I want to get this this tap off the ground and get it somewhere with using a standpipe, make the water more usable. Use a hose, it's fine, but it's a bit of a pain in the bum, so let's fix it. Oh no! I've got to dig another hole. Now it's full of dirt. Okay, I'm going to flush out my bit of pipe. It's been out in the yard for a while. Hard fitting. I'll get my shower water. That's plenty. Awesome. Just using some general purpose cement here. Come back in about 10 minutes and go over that again. Quite amazing the amount of stuff you collect over the years. So each time I come up the mountain from Townsville to the Tablelands, I bring a ute load of all my gear. Oh no! Just added a bit of water, thinned it down, looks okay now. I think I'm going to need a bigger shelf. Oh, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Well, that's about it for this video here. Got done a few of the jobs that I had planned. I've got plenty more to do, but I've got to go back home and do a few jobs around our property back home. I'll be back up in about a week or so. Hopefully build the camp kitchen and do a bit more concreting, and just there's so much to do, it's not funny. We'll probably talk about power systems and things like that coming up very soon too.
One of those things, cherry picker things.
Thanks for hanging about, thanks for watching. Love to see you in the comments, and we'll see you soon.